Do you guys ever stop to wonder why do you need to pay for Spotify if you want to listen and customize your music if the app is free? Probably never even thought of it. But in this video I'll show you 3 apps you can use on your phone that will allow you to listen to music offline, online and both. I'll go from the least best to the best. Alright, I'm not going to waste any more time, the timestamps down below, let's get started. Alright, so this is a music folder I have on my phone. Now the least best I think is music player. It's still a good one, but the only reason I don't like it is because the only online part is just music that most of the people don't even know. So technically this is just offline music, and it's good because you can import any music on your iPhone just like this. Going to import, you can use a Dropbox on the cloud or by downloading some music on your iPhone, putting it on your files and importing it here, and you can stream it all for free without having to use a mobile data. I have a video up here if you want to watch. Other than that, you can create playlists, you can adjust volumes, you can go forwards or backwards, and you can use it when the phone is off. Alright, the second app coming up, which I think is a very good alternative to Spotify, is called eSound. Now eSound lets you stream any music you like for free. The only thing I don't like about this is that there are ads and you cannot download music and stream it offline. Alright, I'll give you an example. You can search up, I'm just going to put some random dubstep. Sound is good, you can change the volume, you can skip forwards and backwards, you can create playlists and whatnot just like Spotify, but you can't download it and it uses a lot of data. So if you just use this when you're at home, then this is all good. Other than that, I don't think this is a very good option because it's pretty expensive on data, but still better than Spotify. Now this next app I think is the best out of these 3. It still has some drawbacks, but it's still really good. It's called Audiomack. And keep in mind, some of these apps will require you to put your email. Don't worry, anything is completely free. Alright, as you can see, we can search for any song we like. We can stream it for free. It will use some of our data, but we can download it on the app itself for free and stream it for free without using your data. So I'll show you an example. There's a download button on the right side of any song you want. Just click on the download button. It might give you some ads here and there, yep. Just don't worry about it. Click out of that ads. And then it'll be downloading. And keep in mind, if the song has like a letter E next to it in a square, I think you can only download 20 of those, and then if you want to download more, you're gonna have to pay for it. But as you can see, there's no E here, so you can download as much of these as you want for free. Now to get to your downloads, just what you want to do is click on My Library on the bottom right, and then go click on Downloads. Then yep, as you can see, you can turn off this. So now I got no data, as you can see, no internet, but this will still be working. Yep, I can go to wherever I want on it, I can pause it, I can skip forwards and backwards. So yeah, I think this app is really good, the best out of the 3. The only bad thing is that some songs I want, I cannot find it on this, which is the only drawback I have. But if you have all your songs here, it's all good. Keep using this app. So yep, those are the 3 apps I think are really good for streaming offline music. And then if you want to be safe and download music on your phone, click on this video. If you want to be safe and download music on your computer and put it on your phone using Apple Music, click the video.